Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. The Ram ProMaster is a true commercial powerhouse, blending maximum payload capacity with high roof space and daily practical efficiency. But if you really want to boost your productivity on the job site or protect your cab, the right upgrades are essential. Today, we are breaking down 20 awesome accessories designed specifically for the Ram ProMaster. We're covering everything from heavy-duty floor protection and organizational gear to tech upgrades and utility mods that give your work van that extra bit of edge. Whether you're running a business or upgrading your daily rig, these items add serious value. Every item featured in today's video can be found on Amazon, and I've included all the links for you down in the description below. Let's jump right in and check out the best Ram ProMaster accessories you can get right now. Very first accessory in our list is floor mats for Dodge Ram ProMaster. Whether you are hauling heavy materials, tracking in mud from the job site, or living full-time on the road, your ProMaster's front cabin floor takes a beating. Upgrading to custom-fit, all-weather floor mats is the absolute best way to shield your factory vinyl or carpet from dirt, spills, and wear. Designed with deep channels and raised edges, these mats trap liquids and debris instantly. They are incredibly easy to clean. Just pull them out, hose them off, and slide them back in to keep your cabin looking brand new. Coming up next, we have trunk mat. The massive cargo area of your Ram ProMaster is built to work, but bare floors are prone to scratches, dents, and shifting loads. Adding a heavy-duty trunk and cargo mat instantly transforms your van's rear interior. Made from ultra-durable rubber or composite materials, it acts as a tough barrier against drop tools, leaking cargo, and heavy foot traffic. Plus, the textured, non-slip surface prevents your gear from sliding around while driving, reducing noise and protecting both your van and your valuable payload. Next, must have window visors for Ram ProMaster. Want to enjoy fresh air in your van without dealing with howling wind or blowing rain? Sleek side window visors are the perfect solution. These durable deflectors let you crack your front windows open during stormy weather or overnight camping, keeping condensation down while blocking rain and harsh wind. They also help reduce heat buildup inside your parked ProMaster on hot summer days. Easy to install and custom molded to fit your doors perfectly, they add both practical comfort and a sharp, rugged look. Next item in our list is trailer hitch. Unlock the true utility of your Ram ProMaster by installing a heavy-duty trailer hitch receiver. Whether you need to tow a utility trailer, haul extra equipment, or mount a rear cargo carrier or bike rack, a Class 3 or Class 4 hitch gives you the strength you need. Engineered specifically for your ProMaster's frame, these hitches offer a seamless, bolt-on fit with maximum towing capacity. Stop leaving gear behind and start bringing everything your adventure or business demands with ultimate confidence. Next accessory in our list is roof marker lights for ProMaster. Enhance both the visibility and the bold look of your Ram ProMaster with ultra-bright roof marker lights. Crucial for tall vehicles, these cab marker lights alert oncoming traffic and low-clearance areas to your van's height, especially during heavy fog, rain, or late-night drives. Featuring energy-efficient LEDs wrapped in weather-resistant housings, they are built to endure harsh elements without fading or leaking. They provide an essential safety upgrade while giving your ProMaster that clean, commercial-grade aesthetic on the highway. Next thing, you can add running boards. Getting in and out of a high-clearance Ram ProMaster all day can take a toll on your knees and back. Heavy-duty running boards and side steps make entering your cabin or side cargo area effortless and safe. Constructed from high-strength aluminum or steel with slip-resistant stepping pads, they offer sure footing in wet, icy, or muddy conditions. Beyond convenience, running boards also act as a side shield, protecting your van's lower body panels from road gravel, debris, and door dings. Next product on the list is van roof ladder rack. Maximize your storage capacity by utilizing the massive roof space on your Ram ProMaster with a professional roof ladder rack. Designed for tradesmen and camper conversions alike, a heavy-duty rack allows you to safely secure ladders, lumber, kayaks, or solar panels without sacrificing precious interior room. With aerodynamic designs that minimize wind noise, corrosion-resistant finishes, and easy load features, this setup turns your van's roof into a highly functional, secure, and organized cargo platform. Next must have van sliding door stopper. If you have ever tried loading gear or camping on an incline, you know how fast that heavy ProMaster sliding door can slam shut on its own. A sliding door stopper is a game-changing safety mod that locks your side door securely at a half-open or fully open position. It stops the door from unexpectedly sliding closed, preventing injuries and damage to your van. Quick to engage and simple to install, it gives you complete control over your door wherever you park. Next accessory in our list is Van Door Bug Screen Mosquito Protector for Ram ProMaster. Enjoy the outdoors from the comfort of your van without letting pesky insects take over your living space. Custom-fit bug screens for the sliding and rear doors of your Ram ProMaster let you keep your doors wide open for maximum airflow while keeping mosquitoes, flies, and midges completely out. Featuring fine mesh, durable magnetic center closures for easy hands-free entry and a snug, weather-tight seal, these nets are an absolute necessity for summer van life, camping, and tailgating. Coming up next, we have Van Shelving Storage System. Stop wasting time digging through loose tools and clutter in the back of your van. A heavy-duty van shelving storage system turns your ProMaster into an organized, mobile workstation. Custom built to contour against the van's interior walls, these modular steel or aluminum shelves maximize floor space while keeping parts, bins, and equipment securely locked in place. Perfect for contractors, electricians, or adventurers needing structured storage, an organized van boosts efficiency and protects your gear on the road. Next item in our list is Windshield Sunshade for Ram ProMaster. The massive windshield on the Ram ProMaster lets in a ton of light, but it also creates intense interior heat when parked in the sun. A custom-fit windshield sunshade is your first line of defense against damaging UV rays and scorching cabin temperatures. Designed to cover every inch of your front glass without leaving gaps, it protects your dashboard from cracking, lowers your interior temps significantly, and provides complete privacy when sleeping or taking a break inside your van. Next add-on in our list is Van Partition Bulkhead. Separating your cab from the cargo bay is essential, and a heavy-duty partition bulkhead is the ultimate upgrade for your ProMaster. It creates a solid barrier that protects driver and passenger from shifting cargo during sudden stops, while dramatically reducing road noise from the back. Plus, by sealing off the cab, it makes heating and cooling the front seats vastly more efficient, keeping you comfortable on long drives while securing your payload behind you. Coming up next, we have rear door storage panels. Maximize every square inch of unused space in your van with custom rear door storage panels. These rugged panels transform the hollow interior of your ProMaster's rear doors into organized storage hubs for tools, straps, recovery gear, or camping essentials. Built to withstand heavy use, they keep frequently used items right at your fingertips the moment you pop open the doors, eliminating clutter and saving you precious floor space inside. Next accessory on the list is hood deflector or bug shield. Keep your ProMaster's front end looking fresh with a sleek, durable hood deflector. Designed to follow the contours of your van's front grille, this guard channels airflow upward to push bugs, gravel, and road debris up and over your windshield. It protects your hood's paint from stone chips and rust while keeping your glass clearer on long highway drives, making it a simple, cost-effective way to preserve your van's bodywork. Next item in our list is front seat covers for Dodge Ram ProMaster. Your front seats endure daily wear and tear from dirt, sweat, and spills, but custom-fit seat covers offer instant protection and comfort. Tailored specifically to fit ProMaster seats like a glove, these durable, heavy-duty covers resist water, stains, and UV damage without interfering with side airbags or seat functions. Whether you want to preserve your factory upholstery or hide existing wear, they give your cabin a fresh, clean look that holds up to daily abuse. Next accessory on the list is rear step for ProMaster van. Stepping into the back of a high-riding ProMaster can be a stretch, especially when carrying heavy loads. A heavy-duty rear bumper step provides a solid anti-slip platform that makes loading, unloading, and entering the cargo area effortless. Engineered to bolt right onto your frame, it can take a beating while helping prevent slips in wet or icy conditions, giving you quick, safe access to your gear all day long. Next product on the list is key fob cover. Your key fob takes a beating in your pocket or tool belt, but a tough TPU or silicone key fob cover keeps it safe from drops, scratches, and water damage. Custom molded to fit your ProMaster key perfectly. This inexpensive accessory adds grip, so you will not lose it while adding a subtle pop of color to spot it easily on a busy workbench. It is a tiny investment that prevents costly dealer key replacements down the line. Coming up next, we have window air vent for Ram ProMaster. Cracking your windows for ventilation can leave your van vulnerable to rain and intruders, but custom window air vent inserts solve both problems. Designed to lock securely into your front window channels, these heavy-duty vented inserts allow fresh air to circulate through your cabin while keeping out rain, bugs, and unwanted hands. Perfect for stealth camping or keeping your van cool while parked, they deliver constant airflow without sacrificing security. Next accessory on the list is a pedal commander. Tired of the sluggish throttle response when accelerating in your loaded ProMaster? The Pedal Commander is a plug-and-play throttle response controller that eliminates electronic pedal delay instantly. With customizable modes ranging from eco-driving to aggressive sport response, it gives you immediate power delivery when merging, climbing steep hills, or passing on the highway. It completely transforms your van's drivability, making it feel lighter, faster, and far more responsive. Last on the list is Dash Cam for Ram ProMaster. Protect your investment and stay safe on the road with a high-definition dash cam built for your Ram ProMaster. Designed to capture crystal clear video of the road ahead and behind it, provides crucial evidence in the event of an accident or insurance claim. With features like night vision, loop recording, and parking monitoring, it keeps continuous watch over your van, whether you are cruising down the highway or parked overnight at a job site or campground. Transform your Ram ProMaster with accessories that combine rugged adventure styling with everyday practicality. Whether you want to protect your cabin from heavy wear, enhance storage for long road trips, or add functional upgrades that improve comfort and convenience, these accessories are built to elevate every drive. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.